You should come out to Pennsylvania and visit Kevin. I could be making you scrambled ham and eggs for dinner. Hi, thanks for watching. That brief video is my scrambled ham and eggs that I make frequently for breakfast or dinner. What you didn't see is the whole process where I heat up the pan with a little bit of butter, just for flavor. I use a non-stick pan. I chop up some ham, put in there, fresh deli ham, and then the egg mix. I mix some two eggs with a little bit of milk, salt, and pepper. Pour that in there. When it heats up, I flip it as you saw. And then the last step, which I left out, is I take my rubber spatula and just kind of chop it up into smaller pieces instead of just one big, flat, round, 8-inch piece. Toast some butter some toast, there you go, and coffee, and then you have scrambled ham and egg breakfast. Thanks for watching. If you have comments, please message down here below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.